Hello friends, welcome to my channel called Gaming Hub. The game is Christmas cooking. Here we will reach on level number 42. In the Christmas kitchen, we will make yummy donuts with the fried marshmallows. Our donuts will be in the two flavor. One will be cream and second one will be chocolate flavor. Customers come to our restaurant and they order different things like chocolate donut, cream donut, marshmallows. Here our old lady is waiting for green donut. A girl ordered two donuts. A boy in the green shirt ordered one donut and the marshmallow. Which flavor of the donut do you like? Tell me in the comment section. Our level is completed. Move to the next level, level number 43. In the next level, we will serve same things. We are serving very fast. Have you ever baked donuts at home? What is your experience? Share your comment. I think so many customers like donuts. We will also decorate the donuts here. Nice work. A man ordered two donuts, one chocolate and one caramel. Well, I hope you all guys like my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. And tell me in comment section, do you like this video?